on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We hadn't put a video out in the last couple weeks. Hopefully we'll do a little better than that in the future. But in the last couple weeks we've been working on Lil Red. I'm getting ready to show you the progress we've done on that. Alright guys, a couple weeks ago when we were working on this, that Tuesday night my dad made this plate right here and that plate right there to cover up the heater holes that were in the firewall. We're going to leave this hole right here to run any kind of wires or anything else we need to run from the engine into the cab. And then he also covered up the holes on this side where all the main engine harness and stuff went through for the fuse panel and all. We jumped in the cab. We got the seats in, steering column in. My dad made some tabs on the plate that goes over the bell housing. Like it is, you can get to those bell housing bolts really easy, but when it's time to run it, we'll bolt that up so it covers it up. So the only thing really left to do inside the cab is mount the switch panel up here in the roof there. I'm gonna mount it in the center. That way when I'm riding with my daughter's gonna be the main driver. If something were to happen, I can kill the power. And also I'm gonna go ahead and put the main hoop of the roll cage in so I have something to attach the 5-point harnesses to. All right, we got the bed put back on as well. A couple weeks ago, I also cut all the excess weight out of the bed that we didn't need, trying to save a little weight. Got a big section cut out of the middle and the inner fenders, all that cut out. I did leave a little shelf up there at the front just in case later on we need some room to mount something. If we ever go turbo and we're going water to air, I can put my ice box up there or whatever I need to. Planning on mounting the radiator right over the rear end right here. I'll make a bracket, have it laying down with the fans on top blowing down. Cut a hole for the fuel cell, for the sump on the fuel cell to go through the bottom of the bed. I got to get that mounted down right there where it's at, and then we'll get a battery hold down to go on this side. And that's pretty much it. It's coming along pretty good. Stick around, you'll see the time lapse of everything we did to it the last couple weeks, and also the installation of the lowering kit on my uncle's 2019 2500 HD. What's going on, everybody? This week my uncle does a whole lot for me and my dad, and he bought a new to him truck, and it's got a whole lot of factory lift on it. It's a little high and he wanted to drop it down, so we ordered a lowering kit that drops it 3 inches in the back, 2 inches in the front. And what we're doing is we're putting these shackles right here in, the rear shackles, which will give it a 3-inch drop. And we're replacing these right here, these shackles. So, according to this, we may end up having to trim some of this.
Right.
When it goes up. It says for the 3-inch. We may have to trim some of that.
installing the new shackle. Got both the old ones out.
What?
Yeah.
Top. I need a.
Or you need to line the holes up on it. You got the passenger side in. See a difference from the stock one. The aftermarket one.
You good?
Alright, we finished with the back. Moved on to the front to the torsion keys.
You pull that rod.
Hold on.
How much are they clock difference?
You don't take a lot.
Not much.
You don't take much. So we
Come on. I have
put it on again.
You got a charger?
No, for it not either.
You don't, ain't no tension on that, is it?
Frank, you want to explain to them how you get them off and put them back on?
Alright, so what we did, we had to take the pressure off the torsion bars. So we used the C-clamp, clamped it, pulled the bolt out, took the C-cap loose, was relieved the pressure. And then here's the old keys. So what we did was, after we got the pressure off of it, we pulled the torsion rods forward, dropped the old keys out, put the new keys back in. Now we're going back together with it.